Traders, hope you guys had a wonderful trading week. Hope you guys had a great one. Hope you guys had a profitable one. And I hope that you had a disciplined and educational trading week. This is boy Harlem King COT, and I'm back again with another video. I'm gonna be showing to you guys possible direction on three pairs: Nasdaq, gold, and USD CAD, which will be our weekly trading outlook for the coming week. I'm just not sure of the date, but I'm gonna check it out and leave it right on our description on our title. But before we start the video, guys, I hope and I beg that you like the video, that you share the video, that you leave a comment on the video, that if you how you enjoyed and what you're looking forward to trade. If there's any possible trading pair that you would like us to break down for you or to have an insight for you, just send it to us and just give it to us and let the COT Academy team analyze it and do it for you and see how we can do it and how you can do it and how we might come up with a conclusion or possible direction on that pay. But another thing, subscribe to the channel, trade with the broker that I highly recommend and trade with. And all I ask and all I want to do to you guys is to make sure that I assist you in all that you need, all that you want, and all that you're destined for. That's why COT Academy is there for you guys. Take my number if you're looking for an in-person mentorship course. Let us put it in work and let me educate you guys and let me teach you guys and let me show you how it's done and how you can do it so I can reach the most profitable trader in 2025. But it only starts now. So looking at first pair, which will be the NAS. When you guys remember that on the NAS we did share that based on price giving us reactions on our word on our support, we might possibly look forward for those continuations to the upside. But unfortunately, price couldn't violate this high. Price gave us this highs, and we had a drop, a push to the downside. So with this reaction and this reaction, all I can leave you guys with will be very simple for the coming week, because we're still waiting for confirmation on the NAS. This confirmation will be based on us having to understand that is price gonna fail to violate and give us that move to the upside, or is price gonna give us a violation so we can anticipate those continuations of those moves to the downside. Do you guys get it? So the NAS, we're gonna keep it the way we keep it. We're waiting for confirmation to see is price gonna give us a fail to violate this zone so we can look for those moves to the upside. But if price violates, then I guess we can look for those moves to the downside. So without further ado, let's hit the second pair, which is gold. So gold, I can clearly just call gold Mr. All-time high, because structure is bullish, behavior is bullish, patterns are bullish. With that being said, there's nothing else that we guys might be looking forward to on gold, or looking for on gold, but to just get those continuations to the upside with a simple behavior. A high was violated, a high was violated, a high has been printed out. So now we're gonna wait and see what is gonna happen on the coming week. It's that is price gonna violate our higher high so we can get those new possible higher highs, or is price gonna give us a deeper pullback based on what we're looking at so we can look for that continuation to the upside? Because if you can clearly see gold, this pattern, this double top pattern gave us this all-time high. So with this all-time high, we point that out. If we can get a violation to the upside, if we can get a violation on our all-time high, then I guess we can look for those continuations to the upside, looking for possible new highs. But if price is gonna look to be bearish, then I guess we're gonna look for the deeper pullback, or the deeper correction, or the deeper correction, consolidation, whatever you can name it, so we can look for those continuations to the upside, but only if price violates our all-time high. Do you guys get that? Last pair, which will be what? USD CAD. So USD CAD, I don't even have to say much, guys, because you can clearly see that from this bear move, price gave us a what? Price gave us a range. So with this range, I can confidently just mark out this current highs and just not mark out our lows, because we're having this very same zone, major zone, that price once gave us reactions to the upside on. So all we're now gonna focus on USD CAD will be very simple, because we're also waiting for confirmation on USD CAD. This confirmation will be based on us having to understand that with our range and our bear move with this bear strength to the downside in this range, is price gonna give us a continuation below this very same zone. But if it happens that price fails to violate this zone, then we might look for those moves to the upside. But a stronger position or a stronger setup might be if price violates our word, if price violates our current highs. That's when you can simply look for those possible new all-time highs. Do you guys get that? So USD CAD will be very simple as NASDAQ and gold. We're just simply waiting for confirmation to see what is gonna happen. Is price gonna violate a certain zone, or is price gonna fail to violate a certain zone? So on the NAS, we're simply waiting for two things. Are we gonna have a violation on the zone or fail to violate? On gold, are we gonna violate our all-time high, or is price gonna give us a deeper pullback? And then on USD CAD, is price gonna violate our zone, or is price gonna fail to violate our zone? And that's all that we anticipate, and that's all that we'll be looking forward to. Without further ado, thanks for tuning in, thanks for liking, thanks for showing love, and thanks for choosing COT Academy as one of the greatest institutes. And most of all, thanks for choosing this YouTube channel as one of the greatest and most legit YouTube channels. Without further ado, it's your boy Harlem, King COT, and we're signing out.